Yo, what's up, my guys? क्या हाल चाल? Guess who's back with four eyes? Okay. आज हम सीखेंगे, क्या सीखेंगे? डोंट नो क्या सीखेंगे. मैंने कल नोट्स बनाए थे ऑपरेटर्स के. ऑपरेटर्स के नोट आज फिनिश करूंगा मैं. और होल्ड अप. या इसको पढ़ा देता हूँ थोड़ा. मेरा कैमरा मेरा कैमरा इतना वाइड कब से हो गया? इतना तो ही लेता ही नहीं था ये. एनीवेज, लेट्स कीप दिस. अरे ठीक है. ठीक है. मे बी. ओके. तो वो ये कल मैं सी ऑपरेटर्स के नोट्स बना रहा था. मैंने शायद से असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर्स तक के भी बनाए थे. अच्छा, कंपैरिजन के भी बना लिए थे. लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर्स बचा था और ये बिटवाइज ऑपरेटर्स बचा था. इसमें अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेटर्स होते हैं जिसमें एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन, मॉड्यूलस, इंक्रीमेंट, डिक्रीमेंट होता है. वो वाले जो हम यूज़ करते हैं, जैसे अगर हम इंटीजर एक्स को 10 की वैल्यू देंगे, इंटीजर वाई को 3 की वैल्यू देंगे और उसको अगर हमें उनका सम चाहिए तो हम प्लस माइनस या कुछ ना कुछ ये सब करेंगे. इसको हम अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेटर्स बोलेंगे. यहाँ पे एक नोट है कि व्हेन डिवाइडिंग टू इंटीजर्स इन सी द रिजल्ट विल आल्सो बी एन इंटीजर. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 है तो उसका आउटपुट 3 आएगा, क्योंकि अगर उसका डेसिमल फॉर्मेट चाहिए तो फ्लोट या डबल वैल्यूज यूज़ करनी पड़ेंगी, जैसे कि 10.0, तब जाके सही फॉर्मेट आएगा. जैसे यहाँ पे एक एग्जांपल भी है इसका. ए इज इक्वल्स टू 10, इंटीजर बी इज इक्वल्स टू 3, प्रिंट एफ परसेंट ए डिवाइडेड बाय बी यहाँ पे है, और इसमें पॉइंट नहीं डाला है, इसमें पॉइंट डाला है. इसका आउटपुट आएगा, इसका आउटपुट नहीं आएगा. इसका 3 आएगा, इसका 3.33 करके आएगा. इंक्रीमेंटिंग एंड डिक्रीमेंटिंग, ये क्या है? ये सब टॉपिक था उसका, अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेटर्स का. Incrementing and decrementing are very common in programming, especially when working with counters, loops, and arrays, which you will learn more about later in this chapter. What plus plus operator increases a value by 1, while the minus operator decreases a value by 1. ये तो 6 हो गया. x is equal to 5 plus x increment by 1, printf x is equal to 6. यहाँ पे एक और एग्जांपल है, x इज इक्वल टू 5 का. ये माइनस में माइनस करेगा तो 4 हो जाएगा. इसका यूज़ क्या है मेरे को समझ नहीं आया, बट ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, पढ़ते हैं अभी. चैट जीपीटी है ना अपने पास. गो का सब्सक्रिप्शन ले रखा मैंने 4 महीने का. 4 महीने नहीं, पिछले नवंबर में लिया था. 1 साल का सब्सक्रिप्शन मिला तो मेरे को खत्म होने वाला है. तो स्पॉन्सर कर दो यार मेरे को चैट जीपीटी का गो सब्सक्रिप्शन यार. वरना क्लॉड तो छोड़ो यार, क्लॉड तो बहुत महंगा है, $20 का कुछ है. काम भी नहीं आता इतना. व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ इंक्रीमेंटिंग एंड डिक्रीमेंटिंग इन सी? लाइक what will be the plus plus data used? What the fuck? बता दे मेरे भाई. चैट जीपीटी की यही दिक्कत आ रही है आजकल, पता नहीं क्यों. समथिंग went wrong while generating. क्यों? Why? What's wrong? Upgrade plan until November 14 तक है तो. चिल्ड्रंस डे पे मेरे को गिफ्ट कर दो यार कोई, इसका गो सब्सक्रिप्शन. कॉलेज वालों से मांगूंगा. बाय द वे, कल से मेरा कॉलेज स्टार्ट है. 7 तारीख से, 7 अगस्त. फर्स्ट डे ऑफ कॉलेज लाइफ. एक्सेंट कलर, कॉन्ट्रास्ट. ओह आ गया, बेसिकली शॉर्टकट्स फॉर इंक्रीजिंग और डिक्रीजिंग अ वेरिएबल बाय एग्जैक्टली वन, x plus 1, x minus 1. The reason they are important is that adding subtracting one happens constantly in programming, especially with loops, counters, arrays, and pointers. Loops. Most common ways you will use plus plus everywhere in for loops. I is equal to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus, and f percentage. I is equal to 0, start, I is less than 10, keep going while this is true. I is plus increase one by one after every iteration. So I becomes 0, 1, 2, 3, 9. Without plus plus you would write I is equal to I plus 1. Like how many students passed? Passed. ऐड भी नहीं खुल रही मेरे को, गुस्सा इतना आ रहा है ना अपने इस पे इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर पे, एयरटेल वालों पे। ऐसे लेते हैं, काम करते नहीं ढंग का। कितने फ्रेम ड्रॉप्स हुए? फ्रेम ड्रॉप्स तो हो नहीं रहे, फिर इस पे क्यों अटक रहा है? क्या क्वालिटी है? क्या? वॉट? 2 लाख का पीसी इस क्वालिटी के लिए बनाया मैंने? अच्छा मैं उस पर कर रहा हूँ ना, अल्ट्रा लो लेटेंसी पे। ओके ओके। वुप्स वुप्स वुप्स। अपन ये हैरी भाई का कोर्स देख रहे थे ना, हैरी भाई का कोर्स यहाँ लगा देता है। मेरे को आवाज़ क्यों नहीं आ रही? अब मंकी टाइप को भी यहाँ लगा लेते हैं। और बस गोइंग थ्रू एरेज इंटीजर नंबर आई once you reach will start using plus plus constant। ठीक है। ओके। Man old house however what pays more consider you like up very give they in go see each another point general system house your place। क्या बोल रहा हूँ? 112 हो गई मेरी 130 से। हाँ। other would yes such and problem consider could just much course may give some of but 110 के आसपास कुछ होगी भाई। उससे भी नीचे हो गई अब। 107। see much program late from the one course those only again। एक गलती हो गई। Yeah, ठीक है। यस। ओपनिंग अब यस कोड। इंक्रीमेंटिंग एंड डिक्रीमेंटिंग समझ आ गया। बाकी का ये बाद में देखेंगे हम जब काम आएगा। अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेटर्स ये होते हैं एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन। मॉड्यूलस होता है परसेंट, इंक्रीमेंट और डिक्रीमेंट। ये हमने पढ़ लिया। इसका है एक्स प्लस वाई, एक्स माइनस वाई, एक्स इंटू वाई, एक्स डिवाइडेड बाय वाई, एक्स परसेंटेज वाई प्लस प्लस एक्स। इसका एग्जांपल भी पढ़ लिया था हमने। ये भी हो गया। असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर्स आर यूज्ड टू असाइन वैल्यूज टू वेरिएबल्स। We use the assignment operator equals to assign the value 10 to a variable called x। असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर हर जगह यूज होता है बेसिकली। ये जब भी हम इंटीजर की कोई वेरिएबल को वैल्यू देते हैं तो हम हमेशा यही यूज करते हैं, एक्स इज इक्वल टू 10। तो दिस इज वेरी कॉमन। अब यहाँ पे इसने एक्स प्लस इज इक्वल टू 5 क्यों लिखा, ये मेरे को समझ नहीं आया। एक्स प्लस इज इक्वल टू 3, एक्स इज इक्वल टू x+3। अच्छा, क्या मतलब इसका? माइनस इक्वल टू एक्स माइनस इक्वल 3 इज इक्वल टू x-3। मेरे को मैथ्स इसलिए नहीं पसंद, कुछ भी होता मैथ्स आउट ऑफ नोवेयर। क्यों क्यों लगाना माइनस इक्वल, क्यों लगाना है? सीधा सीधा ये लिखो। Most assignment operators are just shorter ways of writing code. For example, x plus is equal to 5 is the same as x is x plus y. Shorter and often easier to read. तो ये क्यों लिखना है? ये हटाओ ना इसको, नहीं चाहिए। ये इन्वेंट करते मैथ्स में। Tracking savings. Assignment operators can also be used in real life scenarios. For example, you can use plus zero to keep track of savings when you add money to an account. Integer savings is equal to 100. Savings plus is equal to 50. Add 50 to savings. Oh, okay. Okay. Hold up. Let me try this. Let me try this. ये मैंने कॉन्स्टेंट्स और वॉलेटाइल भी कल सीखे थे। वॉलेटाइल अभी हमें सीखने की ज़रूरत है नहीं। Let me show the roadmap real quick. ये रोड मैप है। यहाँ पे टाइप क्वालिफायर्स में आके कॉन्स्टेंट्स और वॉलेटाइल है, रिस्ट्रिक्ट, एटॉमिक। ये तीनों हमें अभी स्किप करने हैं। वॉलेटाइल की हमें बस ये डेफिनेशन याद करनी है। अभी अभी किसी काम का नहीं है। शायद से आरएस और लूप्स जब सीखेंगे तब काम आएगा ये। तो वॉलेटाइल क्या होती है? वॉलेटाइल होती है जो तुम्हारी वैल्यूज़ को मेमोरी में रिलोड ना करे। मैंने उल्टा बोल दिया क्या? Volatile is a compiler directive. It tells the compiler every time you read or write the variable, do it exactly in the program order without assuming the value stays the same between accesses. Let's break down what really means. No caching in registers for ordinary variables. The compiler will often show them in the CPU register to avoid repeated access to the memory. Volatile forces each access to load from memory, prohibiting registering caches. Caching. Volatile मेमोरी में स्टोर करता है, सीपीयू में स्टोर नहीं करता जहां तक मेरे को लगता है। या व्हाटएवर, ये अभी किसी काम का नहीं है अपने। तो ये तीनों टॉपिक हमें स्किप करने हैं फिलहाल के लिए। और उसके बाद आता है ऑपरेटर्स। ऑपरेटर्स का मैंने बता ही दिया, असाइनमेंट और अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेटर्स। और अच्छा हाँ, ये ट्राई करना था। वॉलेटाइल टेन ऑपरेटर्स। ऑपरेटर्स में भी ट्राई करना है असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर। ये होगा नहीं ना वैसे? मैंने बीच में गैप डाल दिया। इंटीजर मेन वैल्यू देते हैं इसको। इंटीजर सेविंग्स इज इक्वल टू 100। savings is equal to, oh sorry, plus is equal to 50। ये करेगा add 50 to savings। अब printf total savings %d slash n savings। प्रिंट करेगा कितना? कंपाइलेशन टर्मिनेटेड। you need to have a whatever this under dash is called 150। ओके, तो मतलब ये इंटीजर सेविंग्स के वेरिएबल को हम 100 दे देंगे वैल्यू। फिर हम सेविंग्स में प्लस करेंगे, प्लस कितना? 50। वो चला जाएगा सीधे ये जो इक्वल टू का वेरिएबल है उसमें, 100 में जाके प्लस हो जाएगा। और अगर प्रिंट करेंगे सेविंग्स तो वो प्लस होकर टोटल वैल्यू आउटपुट करेगा। दैट्स इट। क्या नाम देना है इसे? असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर स्लैश मनी सेविंग। गाने बजाओ यार, गाने बजाओ। गाने गाने वाला कहाँ गया मेरा? यहाँ कैसे आ गया? इस पे स्ट्रीम करना चालू कर दो। 114 रुपये की कौन सी 1 TB SSD दे रहे हो वेनम भाई? मेरे को दे दो यार, स्पॉन्सर कर दो। टाइम क्या हो रहा है? 2052। तो एक काम करते हैं, नाइट बॉट ऐड करते हैं अपने चैट में। डैशबोर्ड। कितने चैनल कौन से पे अभी मौलिक पे है? अच्छी। उप्स। कौन सा चैनल था मेरा? मेरे को नाम ही नहीं याद। ये था यप। कमांड्स। मैं भूल गया कैसे ऐड करते थे। Shit. How to add clip command? Issue is a third party API and Nightbot does not have native built-in neat clip. Whoa, 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 whoa. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. YouTube, Google. What the hell? What the hell, Google? This shit is getting clipped. Definitely. अच्छा नेट स्लो था आज। 18। लेकिन द थिंग इज मेरा ऑडियो इनपुट बहुत बहुत बेकार आवाज़ दे रहा, बहुत हद से ज़्यादा बेकार। क्यों? नॉइस सप्रेशन भी तो ऑन है। हेलो हेलो। अब आवाज़ सही आ रही है क्या? दो दो मैंने नॉइस सप्रेशन डाल दी। ठीक ठाक आनी चाहिए यार। अब तो ये बैकग्राउंड नॉइस बहुत बहुत अजीब सी आ रही है जब से मैंने क्रियो का माइक अपना रिप्लेस करवाया ना। खराब मॉडल भेज दिया इन्होंने फिर से। वापस रिप्लेस कराऊँ? कम ऑन यार क्रियो। एनीवेज। कितना था? 18 था ना? 18 था या 14 था, पता नहीं। छोड़ो। We must stay focused, brother.
अरे किधर है, बॉस ढूंढ रहा तुझे।
ये देखो ब्राउजर सोर्स में ओबीएस के ऐड चल रहा है, क्या बोलूं मैं। किटकैट से चोरी हो गई इनकी, फिर भी ऐड चलाने ने। ऐड ब्लॉकर भी नहीं लगा सकता इस पे। एनीवेज, व्हाट वोल्टाइल डज, आई डोंट वांना नो। इसको हटाओ। यहाँ पे आ गया अपना असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर। असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर, अरे कहाँ गया? अच्छा इसमें था ना। हम्म, ये सारे असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर यूज करके दिखाए हुए हैं, अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेटर सॉरी। शुड वी ट्राई दिस आउट? शुड वी? टाइम वेस्ट लग रहा है मेरे को, क्योंकि वी शुड। Assignment bitwise comparison operators, let's see what's this. I used to compare two values of variables. This is important in programming because it helps us to find answers and make decisions. Let's find answers and make decisions. The return value of a comparison is either 1 or 0, which means true 1 or false 0. These values are known as Boolean values. You will learn more about them in the Booleans and if-else chapter. If-else chapter सीखना हमें, Booleans हमने सीख लिया. Booleans, yeah, हमने सीख लिया. In the following example, we use the greater than operator to find out if 5 is greater than 3. X is equal to 5, y is equal to 3. Printf %e x is greater than y returns 1 because 5 is greater than 3. What the hell? Let's go. Try this out. क्या था? Comparison. Comparison operate. Integer x is equal to 10. Integer y is equal to 5. Printf %e, क्या ब्रैकेट्स यहीं पे हो जाएंगे? %e inverted commas. Okay, x is greater than y. यहाँ पे आ गया रिटर्न 1. Why? Because x is greater than y, 10 is greater than 5. अब हम करेंगे अगर इसको इक्वल टू, तो ये आए. यप, ग्रेटर दैन करेंगे तो 1 आएगा और लेस दैन करेंगे तो 0 आएगा. 1. ये क्या हुआ? अपने आप ही कैसे पेस्ट होगा? Please. Okay, git add, git commit. Commit what? Comparison operator. using this. Okay, ये हो गया. Next step. Moving to the next step. What is it, my boys? List of all comparison operators. These are the list of all the comparison operators that are available in C language that we can use. Equals to gives the returns the one if the values are equal. Double equal returns one if the values are equal. What's this? Exclamation is equal. Not equal. X exclamation is equal Y. Returns one if the values are not equal. What the fuck? Gotta try this out. Comparison operators. Let's name it cu2.c. Integer x is equals to 10, integer y is equals to 20, printf %d x, oh sorry my bad, I is equals to returns 1, y, x exclamation is equals to y. Oh, returns 1 if the values are not equal. Returns 1 if the values are not equal. Okay. List of all comparison operators. View list. Next. You know what? इसी में try करता. I don't want. Oh, never mind. Over in future. Since I'm documenting my journey of learning C, I will need to upload all the files on my GitHub. We have got noodles, my boys. This is called the true vibe coding. Anyways, if we use int x is equal to 10, int y is equal to 20, and let's just copy this so we don't have to type this for the next 3 of the files we need to make. We're gonna use the greater than symbol. Let's use using symbol. Greater than. Printf x is greater than y. Is it? 0. False. Returns 1. Here it returns 0 because the value of x is less than y. Perfect. Get add. Did I? Did I? Gosh. It coming. Yes. Okay. Next one is this one was greater than. What the hell? Use get push to publisher making comments. Your branch is ahead of origin by 2 comments. Yeah, because I didn't push the previous commits. That's why they are closer. Oh, that's why they are ahead. एक काम करता हूँ. Let me just copy the one from my old channel, the commands. Where's the clip command? My boy, where's the clip command? Ah! Baby. Stream snip. It's stream snip. Let me log in with. Perfect. We're gonna copy this, copy and paste this into the chat. Let's paste this into my chat. Live streaming chat paste. Done. Hmm. Did I? Okay. No commands added. Hello. Type clip in chat. Click. Nothing happened, my bro. Nothing. message copy all from above. Okay, I hope. चलो ये तो होता रहेगा, अपन अपना ट्राई करते हैं तब तक। ये भी हो गया। क्या चाहिए? more than operator, greater than. नेक्स्ट इज लेस दैन। इक्वल टू हमने ये ट्राई किया क्या? Greater than equal to returns one if the first value is greater than or equal to the second value. Hold up. Let me copy this. This returns one if the first value is greater than or equal to the second value. Returns one if the first value is less than second value. This returns one if the values are equal. Perfect. What else? Greater than or equal to? Less than or equal to? Yes. Gonna edit only this less and equal to the second value. Perfect. Now we wanna get 1001. Perfect. Bingo. Bad angles. That should work. 1001. Values are equal? Nope. If the first value is greater than or equal to the second value? Greater? Nope. There you go. 1001 out. Git commit and two operators. Perfect. There you go. We have completed all 6 of these operators. We have learned all 6 of these operators and how do they work. For example, the double equals to sign works with if it returns 1 if the values are equal, both x and y. Exclamation equals to works if the x value is returns 1 if the values are not equal. For example, is it returns 1 if x is not equal to 1, not equal to y. Then comes the greater than operator. Here, if the x value is greater than y or any other value that is greater than the one mentioned before, it will return 1. And then comes the less than value, that is the complete opposite of greater than. Then comes greater than or equal to, which returns 1 if the first value is greater than or equal to the second value. And then comes the less than or equal to value, which is also the opposite of greater than or equal to value. Any doubts? Let's try this real life example. Comparison operators are often used in real world conditions, such as checking if a person is old enough to vote. Let's say if you guys are old enough to vote. Let's do this without seeing the question. I mean, the answer. Holy sh. Boiler comes here. Then we go integer x is equals to 18 and integer y is equals we won't put the output scanf %f percent hold up, printf what is your age, dumbass. Then comes scanf percent d printf %d slash n you can eligible if x sorry, if y equals to x, printf we gotta use the if else statement here that we don't know yet, so I'll leave it for now. Or we can use the printf function again with the less than option. Hold up, let me try this out. What is your age, Tama? You are eligible to vote. 1. Age greater than 18, greater than or equal to yeah, okay. This was a self what do you say, git add what do you call this, what do you call this, what do you call this, EVM machine app with Python syntax error. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Git add. What happened, my guy? What did I do wrong? EVM hack. Now let's try the real life example that is given to us. That is integer age is equals to 18 and then comes printf %d slash n age greater than equal to 18 prints 1 printf %d slash n age less than 18. That's it. 1 2 old enough. 0 false. Okay, perfect, perfect. But this is just bullshit. Who's gonna type the age here? You gotta use the scanner function. Then comes another example. Check if the password length is long enough. Integer password length is equal to 5. Printf password length is greater than equal to 8. False. Too short. Obviously too short. Password length is less than 8. True. Needs more characters. Should I try this? I mean, I don't care. We should. I didn't add this, right? It add commit and example for comes here integer password length. Password length is equal to 8 characters. Oh, my bad. Password length is equal to 5 characters. Then comes printf percentage slash. Ooh, old enough. Oh, sorry. 0. False. Password length too short. Just like you. Percentage slash. Where is my percent? Ooh, you just saved 15 minutes by using VS Code. Thanks, man. Thanks. Appreciate it, man. Why the fuck am I writing age password? Needs more characters. Perfect. What if we try this out? Scan it. Percentage slash. No man, that's too advanced for now. Get add. Let me eat my noodles. Hello, Zapman Game Whitey. What's up, bro? What's up? Welcome to my stream, my bro.
हर महीने 499 रुपए और एक म्यूजिक ऐप के लिए 119 रुपए और एक फिटनेस ऐप के लिए 400 रुपए और बाकी सब ऐप के लिए अलग से पैसे
Wanna have some noodles?
काफी ज्यादा खर्चा है तो क्यों ना बस 149 रुपए में YouTube प्रीमियम आजमाएं इसमें आपको मिलेंगी ये सब चीजें और
I'm
YouTube
friend.
की पूरी दुनिया बिना किसी रुकावट के
Hold up.
अगर वॉलेट बोल सकता तो वो आपको थैंक यू बोलता YouTube प्रीमियम एक महीना फ्री में आजमाएं
Это сколько? Это окей. Salute. Salute, my guy. Salute. What's up? I've seen somewhere there was written salute in Valorant when I used to play games. There was a wall with salute written on it. I have a clip with it too. You wanna see that? I speak English. Damn, nice. This? See. Told ya. I have a very good memory. By the way, since you're new to my channel, do you know Scratch? No, I don't know. Don't know yet. I've just started my journey of C and programming. Here's my progress. Everything I've learned till now. C programming, variables, data types, fixed width, integers. Can I zoom this? No, I can't. Literals, booleans, C extended types, type conversion, typecasting, operators. That's all I've learned till now. Here, you can get a clear view. You can try it, it's just a website. Scratch? Hold up. I don't think this is it. This? It's that. Scratch is free for everyone. Supporters make that possible. How is it useful? Like, does it teach coding or stuff? Programming? Tutorial and resources. Oh. I think I saw this on Reels. I think it's like a interactable game that you can play so that you can learn other programming languages easily. Like blueprints in Unreal Engine. Click on create. Where's create? I don't see create. Hold up. Create. Start creating. Yeah. I saw this on Reels a week ago. Who cleanse ships? What? Motion? Oh. Who cleanse ships? So I can just play with this cat right here. Right? Turn 15 degrees. Nice. Categories. This category. There is no category in fact. Event category. Let me see. When green flag click. Click when green flag click. I don't see no event category, my man. When green flag click. Oh, okay. I'm here. Perfect. When green flag clicked. Yep, I'm here. Now,
आप एक टूथब्रश को बिली आइलिश के जैसे गाते हुए देख रहे हैं, लेकिन क्या आप जानते हैं कि YouTube म्यूजिक ऐप पर आप EDM वर्जन, स्का वर्जन भी सुन सकते हैं, और हाँ, ओरिजिनल वर्जन भी। YouTube म्यूजिक प्रीमियम आजमाएं।
track the blocks under. Blocks. Blocks. My blocks. Make a block. The move. Oh. Hmm. Oh, okay. Damn. That's interesting. Now click on the green flag I did. The top of the stage. Here. Is this what you mean? What if I add sounds? Whoa, whoa. Damn. You can make games like this. Damn. Crazy. Actually, I wanted to make a game on Unreal Engine 5. So, as soon as I finish learning C, I'll start with C++. I have an idea in mind about what game I will be making. I've got every tutorial about Unreal Engine 5 here, written as notes, as you can see. Do you know that these people, there are people who have recreated Windows 11 above? What the hell? With this? With this? Ain't no way, bro. Damn, that's crazy. Hmm. I still have got a lot to learn. I'm still new to programming. Thanks for this, by the way. This was interesting. By the way, since you're new to my channel, can you drop a sub? You might be the first subscriber of mine on this channel. On homepage? Hmm? What? Acha, you can search projects or account on homepage. Here. Yeah, I saw this. Isaac burns his marshmallows. Yo, where did they get the another marshmallow? I love it, Pooga. Yes. This looks easy and fun to play. Fun to create, I mean. You can click on the scene side. Scene side. That's it? That's it? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. Less than 50 blocks? Makes a game. Working weather simulation. That's it? Oh, what the fuck is this tornado? What else? There are several sprites. Sprites? I've learned C, bro. Do you know C? C and C++. Under the stage are sprites, which are the game elements. What the fuck? All this for candle? 5 candles? Let's see. Please. Though I'm still learning. Thanks for introducing me to such exciting, what do you say? Exciting whatever. My account is Zapman Lishkrach YT. Let me search. On Scratch? On Scratch or YouTube? Oh, there we go. Attention, epilepticus, pro satanis, commandes. Holy, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. I'm a steal your fish, okay? Don't mind me. I'm a steal this fish. Don't say it. It's not here. My last project is in English. This? No. This? I see. That's good, bro. I love it. My guy, do you mind subscribing? I wanna reach 100 subs by the end of this month. If you can, I would appreciate it very much. How about I say that in French? Pouvez-vous vous abonner? Pouvez-vous vous abonner? It's done. Thanks for thanks. Means a lot to me. Appreciate it, man. You're such a lovely guy. You got a gamer in your name. What games do you play? Or have you played? Name me some. My last project? No, I mean games. Like, have you played any AAA title games like this? Um, like this Subnautica, GTA 5, Witcher 3, Black Myth Wukong, Stellar Blade, Days Gone, Minecraft, No Man's Sky, like this. Idea 2, last project. Is that a game? I'm going to leave in search of French live streams. Okay, bye bye. Have fun, mate. It was nice seeing you. Please. What happened, my guy? What's wrong? You mean peace? Like peace? Where were we? Here? Comparison operators. Okay. It's done, it's done. Comparison operators is done. Now it's logical operators. Logical operators in C evaluate to either true or false. Logical operators are typically used with Boolean operands. Before I leave, yes, go ahead. You can subscribe to your channel. I will for sure. Whoa. So you play Roblox mostly, or like create games in Roblox. Thank you. I have 60 now. No worries, mate. No worries. Have fun. Good luck on your journey, man. Logical operators in C evaluate to the either true or false. Logical operators are typically used with Boolean operands. Thank you. At the next time. No worries, bro. No worries. See you. Logical operators are typically used in Boolean with Boolean operands. So the logical and operator and logic operator are both binary in nature, require two operands. The magical not operator is a unary operator. Unary. Hold up. Unary is increment, decrement, not, complement, and address of difference. Binary operators are arithmetic, logical, and relational optional operators expert, and ternary operators are the question mark operator. Complicated. Oh, logical and operator. The C acts as a logical AND operator. Double AND operator in C acts as the logical AND operator. It has the following truth table: A true, fuck, true true false false, true false true false, true false false false. The above truth table shows that the results of AND is true only if both the operands are true. True true true, true false false, false true false, false false false. Okay, so the false here has the priority. True, false, true. If there was true, false, true, it would be true, I guess. And on the logical OR operator, use the double pipe symbol as a logical OR operator. Here it has the following truth table: A and B. True, true is equals to true. True, false is equals to true. False, true is equals to true. False, false is equals to false. Logical OR operator prioritizes true, and logical AND operator prioritizes false. I'm on the topic logical and OR operators. What I understand is that logical and prioritizes false and OR prioritizes is. Yes, as a mental shortcut. That's exactly right. Just understand why it works that way. Logical and false wins for A double and to be true. Both must be true. Be true, be true. You can remember and prioritizes false. One false is enough to make the whole thing false. Will there be patience? Anything false. So even if one falls out of 10 true, it will be false. What the hell? You have 10 conditions. True, true, true. Then false. False out of 10 makes the entire and expression false. I think of it as all must be true. At least one must be true. False, true, false. True because what was chosen. One must be true. True wins. All must be true. False wins. So if using logical and in every history, what will the result do? Okay, gotcha, gotcha. Hold on. To understand this better, there are three logical operators. File name cannot contain any of these characters. Very well. iWorks. Logical, not logical. What the fuck? Ah, perfect. Oh, perfect. Logical operators in C evaluate whether true or false. Logical operators are typically used with Boolean operands. Logical and operator and logical operator both binary in nature require two operands to match. Logical operator is a unique operator since it treats zero as false and any non-zero number as true. Any operand to a logical operand is converted to a Boolean data. Double and called logical and operator. A logical and B. If both the operands are non-zero, then the condition becomes true. If both the operands are non-zero, okay. For logical OR operator, if any of the two operands is non-zero, then the condition becomes true. For logical not operator, it is used to reverse the logical state of its operand. The condition is true, then logic not operator will make it false. Result of logical operator follows the principle of Boolean algebra. The logical operators follow the following truth tables. Logical AND operator. The AND operator in C acts as the logical AND operator. It has the following truth table. A, B. Ah, bullshit. Now, about truth table shows the result of logical or is true and either of the operands is true and false if both operands are false. Okay, the two straight lines prioritizes true and the double and symbol prioritizes false. Yep. And the logical not exclamation mark operator, all it does is just replaces the value of whatever the outcome is to its opposite, like true to false and false to true. It's a unary operator. And I'm damn sure I'm gonna write this urinary operator in my exams. Example 1. Following example shows the usage of logical operators in C. Perfect, let's go. That's what I was waiting for. Perfect. Let's go. And hold on. Logical operator. Example. Let's see what we have here. Integer a is equals to 5. We give the variables a value. Then comes if and operator. Logical operator. Logical and logical or. Printf line 1 condition is true and if What the fuck is it? An if condition here. Am I already at if else statements? Am I? Hold up. No. Which topic is if else statement? Ah. Control flow. Okay. Okay. Anyways. If condition is true. Okay. Line 2. Condition is not true. We're gonna change the values of A and B. Why? Condition is true. Else. Holy shit, this is getting very complicated. Ah, finally. Run the code and check its output. Sure, sure. There's no fucking output. Very well. Oh, there is. Line 1. Condition is true. Condition is true. True. Not true. Not. And true. The fuck? Let's see. We have assigned values here. A is less than 20. That is B. Then we use the if logical AND operator. And it prints the line if condition is true /n. Then we use another if and logical or operator. And for the printf command we use line 2. Condition is true. We for some reason change the values. Then comes if A and operator B. Line 3. Condition is true. Else condition is not true. If A and if okay, gotcha. Oh, hold up. Let's see. In C, any non-zero value is considered true. Okay, fair enough. In C, any non-zero value is considered true. Okay, so A is equal to 5 is true, and B is equal to 20 is true. Non-zero value is considered true. Okay, so these are true or false. Both are true, and requires both conditions to be true. True, and true. True. Therefore, this if block runs. If condition is true. Logical OR requires at least one condition to be true. Maybe true. True. Change the values. This goes 0 false. Requires both sides to be true. False and true false. True false. The if block is skipped, and the else block runs instead. If this will be skipped, this will run. Block returns the result. True false or see values what is inside the parenthesis. A and B false and true false and this is block. Okay, gotcha. Example 1 explanation. What's the next example? Char type is a subset of integer type, hence logical operators can work with char type too. Let me just copy this. Hold up. There's a lot of examples here. That's nice. Good enough. Let's go with the char type example. Char A is equal to A. This is a null character. If we find one condition is true, find two condition is true. What? In the code check output. Okay. Okay, gotcha. Should build a compound Boolean expression along with relational operators like the operators who are used in decision and looping element statements and stuff. Yeah, fair enough. Compound Boolean example. If physics is less than 50 or operator maths is less than 50. Well, printf will read. Ah, gotcha. Else printf result pass. Result pass. Perfect. If physics less than 50, we'll do this. It's fail. Okay. So we do this. 50. Maths less than 50. Printf results fail. What if we do this and this? Hold up. Okay, so we do this. Printf, enter your marks. Then we throw in a scanf statement. Scanf %d %d physics. Enter your marks. Physics. Then comes printf marks. Then we try scanf %d and physics, maths. Enter marks 49, 50, fail. Okay. 50, 50, pass. Let's go. 49, 49. Bingo. Modified the code on our own. Result declaring tool self. Perfect. This was lovely. I see how we can use this now. I see. Then comes the example. .c. Can also be expressed using the AND operator. Integer physics. If physics greater than equal 50, use and maths greater than equal 50. Printf result pass.
सुनिए, आप एक स्ट्रीमिंग ऐप की पेमेंट और एक म्यूजिक ऐप की पेमेंट करें या बस ₹149 में YouTube प्रीमियम आजमाएं, जो आपको दोनों देता है। YouTube प्रीमियम 1 महीना फ्री में आजमाएं।
It's the mistake. Result pass. Result fail. Gotcha. Pass. You can add the scanf line here too as well. We're back. Hello, hello, Yeshu. What's up? What's up, Yeshu? What's up? What you doing? यहाँ पे डाल दिया फिजिक्स मार्क्स. परफेक्ट. फिजिक्स मार्क डाले हमने. कितने थे पासिंग मार्क? 50 ना. 49 and there goes 50. Fail. Another 50. Pass. Perfect. Hit add. Result declarer using and operate. Perfect. Then comes example 5. हेलो हेलो. यशु क्या मैसेज करके मरवा जाता है क्या? है भाई यशु? I is equals to 0 while exclamation I is greater than 5. One is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. What the fuck? The while loop continues to iterate till the expression I is greater than 5 becomes false, which will be then the value of I becomes greater than 5. Which will be then the value of I become more than. क्या किया? I is equals to 0 while exclamation I is greater than 5 and if I is equals to I plus plus. Okay. Okay. Perfect. आई प्लस प्लस ये करेगा, ठीक है। हाँ गॉचा। इसी तरह लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर्स भी खत्म हो गया अपना, बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा ही नहीं हो गया ये। इसको भी लिंक कर देते हैं एग्जाम्पल से, वो होता है। परफेक्ट। हाँ चलो, आज के लिए इतना ही। ऑपरेटर्स खत्म कर दूँ, क्या बचा, क्या ऑपरेटर? टर्नरी क्या है? टर्नरी, सिंटैक्स ऑफ टर्नरी ऑपरेटर इन सी। xp1 question mark xp2, it uses three operands, xp1 a boolean expression evaluating to true or false, xp2 written by the question mark operator when xp1 is true, written by the question mark operator when xp1 is false. Ternary operator in C. Let's see. Run this code to produce the following output. 10 is even, 10 is odd. ये सीओ क्या था? सीओ भूल गया मैं। What the hell was सीओ? सी ऑपरेटर, अच्छा सी ऑपरेटर। अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेटर्स थे ना ये? असाइनमेंट, कंपैरिजन। हाँ कंपैरिजन ऑपरेटर थे। यप। ये integer a is equal to 10. Then comes a percentage 2. Then is even. क्या हुआ इस कोड में मेरे को समझ नहीं आया. So इन सारे so where explain this code in simple terms. This is actually super simple once you break the ternary operator apart. Integer a is 15. The important line a percentage 2 equals to 0. Double equals to 0. डबल इक्वल क्या होता है? कंपैरिजन में डबल इक्वल होता है. रिटर्न्स बने तो वैल्यूज आर इक्वल. ठीक है. ए परसेंटेज 2. परसेंटेज क्या होता है? हाँ, परसेंटेज को लगा दो. printf day is even. printf is odd. Condition. Do this if true, do this if false. If a is a, do you have to no? Yes. A is odd. First, a percentage 2. Remainder after division. 15 divided by 2 is second division. Okay, gotcha. Condition true false. Gotcha. Why the question mark though? Condition. ये कंडीशन होगी पूरी. This is condition. तो क्या लिखे जा रहा है? परसेंटेज और 2 किस में दे? Ternary operator in C is a type of conditional operator. The term ternary implies that the operator has three operands. Ternary operator is often used to put multiple condition statements in a more compact manner. Okay. Example 1, question mark, example 2, 3. A Boolean expression evaluating to true or false written by the question mark X operator when explained is true. By the okay. ठीक है. ओके, गॉटचा. तो ये हो जाएगा ए पेरेंथीसिस में ए परसेंटेज इक्वल टू 0 और फिर आ जाएगा एक सेमीकोलन. देन आएगा सॉरी क्वेश्चन मार्क. देन आ जाएगा दूसरी स्टेटमेंट दैट इज प्रिंट इफ. परसेंटेज में जाएगा कि इस ऑड नंबर और उसमें जो वेरिएबल इनपुट होगा वो उसमें हम लिख देंगे ए या जो भी वेरिएबल का नाम था. और वही सेम हम दूसरे में करेंगे लेकिन इसमें कर देंगे इवन. इवन ऑड. I wanna try this. Your age will show. क्या था क्या था क्या था क्या था student thesis में 10. The then comes the experience shoe, that is okay. Even. क्या कर रहा हूँ एग्जैक्टली क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं what the fuck then is even ठीक है चला दिया 120 is even as well 123 is odd perfect um odd even even enter your number enter your number क्या है %. The number is What? Perfect. Oh. Working odd even. Ah. Perfect. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Uh, what I did today was, let me tell you guys. I've learned ternary operators. I mean, basics of ternary operators. Yet, still got a few to learn. We'll do this later. I've done some basics of ternary operators, logical operators. I've completed the topic logical operators. I've completed the topic comparison operators, and I've completed the topic assignment operator. Perfect. And in the past 2 days, I've completed the volatile topic. I mean, volatile. I've skipped volatile because it's not necessary to me right now. Uh, and I've learned the constants topic fully. So what I skipped is volatile and restrict and atomic. These three topics are the ones I've skipped for now. These come under type qualifier topics. So yeah, I'll do this after we learn the if else statements perfectly. Okay then. See you guys. Bye bye. See you in the next stream.